Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the social class. Children, I hope all are safe and healthy. We must thank and praise the God Almighty for His grace and blessings to overcome this Niva cyclone. Children, today we are going to study about the atmosphere, that is hydrosphere. In the solar system, the Earth is the only planet having water to exist life. Hydrosphere means the total amount of water present on the Earth. That is, on the surface, on the ground, and in the air. Hydrosphere is in the form of liquid, vapor, and solid. Solid means in the form of ice. Hydrosphere covers 71% of the planet Earth. On that, 97% is salt water and only 3% is fresh water. Fresh water means lakes, rivers, groundwater, frozen and ice in the form of glaciers and icebergs. Now we'll study about the types of water bodies. The first one comes the lake. A lake is a water body surrounded by land on all the sides. So it is covered by land on all the sides. They are fresh or salt water bodies. We know only the freshwater lakes, no children. Salt water bodies also is there. Example is Koluru Lake. This Koluru Lake is fresh water. Salt water is Samba Lake in Rajasthan. Do you know anything about Rajasthan? Yeah, Rajasthan is a state, is a place where only sands are there. Yeah, Rajasthan is a desert. Is a desert in India. The next water body is rivers. Rivers are large streams and originate at mountain areas. Originate means starts. Mostly the river starts in the mountain areas and they are fresh water bodies. Last week, due to the cyclone, we have viewed many rivers. No, we have seen many rivers overflowing and floods are occurring, and it damaged many villages, many agricultural lands also. Have you seen, children? Okay, the rivers usually drain into the oceans or seas. Give some example for rivers. Yeah, Ganga, Kaveri, Yamuna, Krishna, Narmada, Tapati. We got many rivers. The next vast water bodies are the oceans. So oceans are vast, large water bodies and they are separated by continents from one another. Do you know continents? How many continents are there? 7 continents. There are 5 oceans on Earth. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Oceans. Ocean water is salty in nature. That we know, no? The next comes the seas. Seas are also vast water bodies, but smaller than oceans. They are partly closed by land and opens up to the ocean. So the difference between the ocean and the seas are, the seas are very large. They are separated by continents. Oceans are very large water bodies. They are separated by the continents. Seas are also water bodies. They are separated by the countries. Sea water is also salty. Example, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Yeah, we are on the coastal area of Bay of Bengal. Our country India is surrounded by 3 sides of water and 1 side by mountain. So on the south side we got Indian Ocean. On the west we got Arabian Sea, and the east by the Bay of Bengal. So in the Bay of Bengal only the cyclone occurred. What is the name of the cyclone? It's Nivar. Nivar is the name of the cyclone that hit the Karaikal, Pondicherry and Mamallapuram. The next comes the waterfall. Waterfall forms when a river stream flows from a great height. When the water falls from the great height, we call them as waterfall. The best example in our place, in our state, is Kutralam waterfall. Children, we should be careful about how to use the water. We have received a large amount of water through the cyclone. We must conserve water and we should not pollute them. Because children, water is very necessary for all our day-to-day activities. Without water, animals, plants and human beings can't live. So children, we should conserve the water and we should not pollute them. We should not put all the waste in the water bodies. If you put, all the insects and worms will come and all the disease will come for a human being only, children. So we have last year and all we got scarcity of water, but by God grace this year we got lots of water. Enough water we got, so we should use it properly. Okay children, that's all the lesson today. Take care, be safe, don't play in the rainwater, stay home and learn for your tomorrow's test. I have sent you the one word answer. Learn it for a tomorrow test. That is from 6 to 13 question answers I have sent you, and the big answers also I have sent you. You just copy down in your class.